How to change your birthday on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to change your birthday on TikTok. So let's get started. If you're having a problem changing your birthday and if it's saying that you're like younger than 13 and maybe you added a birthday by mistake, for whatever reason you want to change your birthday, I'm here to help you. So unfortunately on TikTok, once we create an account and the birthday we have, we cannot change it with an option given. So we will actually have to go to settings and do that. So first, just go to your profile. So here it is, my profile, and now I want to change my birthday. Just click on these three lines right above, and then we have to click on settings and privacy. It will open up our settings and privacy for us. And here, what you have to do is you will have to go to report a problem. And we're going to report this problem to TikTok, and they will hopefully let us change our birthday. And it works. So what you have to do is you will just scroll down to account and profile. All right. So we have manage account, edit phone number, edit profile page. So I'm going to select editing profile because that's where it kind of like gets. So changing bio, changing profile photo, and other things, but we're gonna click on other. So we have our reported problem. So we're gonna click on no, and then need more help. All right. So this is where you will have to go, and what you need to do now is just type in that I want to change my birthday, or you can also explain a little to TikTok that what actually happened. Or you can also add a screenshot of your previous birthday if you have any a video, any kind of evidence. You can just add it right here. It really helps you a lot with solution. So once you've added this, then make sure to enter your username, the username you have on TikTok. Once you add it, once you add the photo, click on report, and a report will be sent to TikTok, and they'll get back to you in 24 hours and solve your problem. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.